Hello everyone, welcome to FURY installation tutorial. In this issue, we're talking about the Wake Up Hood Catch Kit. Why is it called a hood catch kit? Because it's more than just a hood catch, it also includes our rear view auxiliary mirror. First of all, let's take a look at this whole mechanical style. This fits perfectly with our Wake series. In the past FURY's hood catch, there are already two versions. This is the third version. What's the difference? This structure is more complicated, and most importantly, it's safer. And this time, it comes with a lock block. It can ensure that we are driving intensely. The hood will not be turned upside down. Because of this problem, it is something that all heavy off-road owners have encountered. Then this time there is a safety pin. It doesn't let the hood open anyway. This is very safe. Let's take a look at our whole process. Also very beautiful. Let's sell it. The screws are all 304 stainless steel. It definitely won't rust. Overall, this one is very textured. What about this one? It is the main driving direction. And this kit, the mirror is the passenger direction. Why does the passenger direction need a mirror? Because the occlusion position in the direction of the co-pilot cannot be seen from the perspective of the main driver. There is no occlusion in the main driving direction. Let's take a look at this additional kit. It is connected to the mirror. What about this design of the mirror? There are some adjustments to the first generation. It's wider, because of the market feedback we received. The first generation may be a bit narrow, so widened it. That's also a curved mirror. The viewing angle is relatively wide. Then this adjustable screw. It is convenient to adjust the orientation of the mirror. Our certification mark. FURY's relief highlights are very textured. And then this time our swing arm is more mechanical. It looks like a hydraulic system. Of course, some car owners think that maybe it is like an excavator, but it's very mechanical. Very textured certification mark. It is also through these three screws to adjust the orientation of the mirror. And don't break the angle. If you break it hard, you may break it. Because we've been in this situation before. Everyone adjusts this ball to send these three screws. Loosen these three screws to adjust the direction. Let's look at our whole appearance is very beautiful. Let's start install the car. In addition, when installing, you need to pull the pin out first. After pulling it open, let's install the upper buckle part and remove it. This is installed on our hood. There is a screw installed on our hood. Then the swing arm is also disassembled, and the big buckle is installed before installing our swing arm. And what about this generation? What is the difference from the previous generation before us? Its swing arm is integrated with our goods. It is a direct swing arm that is one piece. We are installed in this position. This can be adjusted too. Installing the tool is also very simple. These three. Let's installation car. First of all, we need to remove the upper and lower parts of the original car cover lock. After dismantling, we can directly install the hood catch. We need to flatten it first and put the screws in. Just lock the screw on the back. Install with the nut of the original car. We're now all done with the top and bottom half. After install, we need to adjust a suitable position. You need to go and look at this hole. Go and put it in a suitable position. When you're done, go and lock it. Go and look at this hole afterward. And then go through like this. And one more detail. This pad will be included in the package. And the following pad. You can stick it directly to the body of your original car. This glue pad, stick it in the original car. Placing bumps is rubbing the original car paint. Then install the mirror. The screw is locked from front to back. After installing it, you can adjust a suitable angle. We have now seen that our right side is already installed, so the left side of it is without a sandplate mirror. So you only need to install the following part. It is exactly the same as the right.